Yeah, the advice I give to future patients is obviously do your due diligence, but at the end of the day, okay, it took me 12 to 15 dentists. That's not necessary. Do your due diligence, go to a couple of other dentists, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, write them down, because sometimes we have a tendency of forgetting, and then we get into the hot seat and speak to the dentist, we all of a sudden forget, and then we have to go back to it. So have all your questions put together. Dr. Willardsen will answer them appropriately. I'll tell you a real quick story. I had a doctor who was a phenomenal doctor. It wasn't dentistry, it was medicine, and he's a great internist. But before I could even ask the question, he was ready to see the next patient, and I had to wait an hour to see him. That's completely the opposite with Dr. Willardsen. He's very patient, he's very understanding, and he's very compassionate. So my advice to anyone out there in the state of California or wherever you live and decide to see Dr. Willardsen, because he sees patients out of state as well, that's how good he is that you're in good hands. Ask as many questions as you want. Okay, you're entitled to. This is the patient. But the most important thing is he will answer them very thoroughly, and he's very patient, and he does an incredible job. So anyone out there, relax, take it easy, because he's going to really give you a comfort zone, and most importantly, an end result that when you smile, you're going to be very, very happy. And as we know, as the public is informed, we know that dentistry and infections affect other parts of the body. So when you have an infection, that could trickle down to your heart, and this is all factual information. Any cardiologist will verify this. So this is not hocus pocus, this is factual information that the infection travels throughout the bloodstream, could travel down to your heart, and you could potentially even go into cardiac arrest. So not only is it aesthetically important, okay, when you smile, okay, when you eat and your digestive system is digesting the food appropriately, and you could bite into an apple, you have a whole, your life opens up to you. So whether you were concerned about getting a job because your teeth didn't look good, whatever your reasoning is, it's going to be a non-issue after Dr. Willardsen finishes his work and does really what he knows how to do on a very high level.
That's great.